Cooking is about more than just following recipes. It's about feeling the ingredients, trusting your instincts, and having fun. I learned this from the best teacher I know, my grandma. She never used cookbooks, she just knew what to do. Grandma's cooking was pure magic. The aroma of herbs and spices filled her kitchen. She would pinch salt, sprinkle pepper, and add a dash of this and that. Everything she made was delicious. It was like she had a sixth sense in the kitchen. Growing up, I was fascinated by her process. I would sit on a stool and watch her work. She taught me to taste as I go, to feel the textures and to trust my gut. It was like learning a secret language. Grandma instilled in me a love for cooking that went beyond recipes. It was about connection, creativity, and the joy of creating something delicious from scratch. For years, I relied on cookbooks. I followed every instruction to the letter. But something was missing. My food lacked the heart and soul of my grandma's cooking. I realized I needed to break free from the constraints of recipes and embrace a more intuitive approach. It started with small steps. I began substituting ingredients, experimenting with flavors, and adjusting recipes based on what I had on hand. At first, it was intimidating. What if I ruined the dish? What if it didn't taste good? But then something amazing happened. The more I cooked intuitively, the more confident I became. I started to develop my own palate, my own sense of what worked and what didn't. I learned that mistakes are okay. In fact, they're often the best teachers. Each culinary mishap taught me something new. It pushed me to be more creative and resourceful in the kitchen. One of the most important things I've learned about intuitive cooking is to trust my senses. Our senses are powerful tools in the kitchen. They can tell us when something is cooked to perfection, when a dish needs more seasoning, or when we've added just the right amount of spice. Taste as you go. This is crucial for adjusting flavors and ensuring your dish is balanced. Don't be afraid to add a pinch of salt, a squeeze of lemon, or a drizzle of honey to enhance the flavors. Smell the aroma. Your nose can tell you a lot about what's happening in the pot. Pay attention to the scents as your food cooks. They can indicate when something is done or if it needs more time. Observe the appearance. The color and texture of your food can also guide you. Is the chicken golden brown and cooked through? Are the vegetables tender crisp? Use your eyes to gauge doneness. Remember, cooking is a sensory experience. Engage all your senses and trust your instincts. You'll be amazed at what you can create. To get started with intuitive cooking, there are a few essential tools and ingredients that every kitchen should have. These will form the foundation of your culinary adventures and empower you to create delicious meals with ease. First and foremost, a good chef's knife is indispensable. A sharp knife makes chopping, slicing, and dicing a breeze, and it's essential for preparing ingredients efficiently. Invest in a high-quality knife and keep it well maintained. A sturdy cutting board is another must-have. It provides a safe and stable surface for all your chopping needs. Opt for a wooden or bamboo cutting board, as they are durable and more gentle on your knives. When it comes to ingredients, start with a well-stocked pantry. Keep staples like olive oil, vinegar, salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs and spices on hand. These basic ingredients will form the building blocks of countless dishes. Fresh produce is also essential for creating flavorful and nutritious meals. Visit your local farmer's market or grocery store and select a variety of fruits, vegetables, and herbs that inspire you. Finally, don't forget about proteins. Whether you prefer chicken, fish, tofu, or legumes, having a few protein sources on hand will ensure you can create satisfying and complete meals.